We believe that everyone has a story to tell. And so our goal at Adobe is to empower everyone to tell their story and to nurture this creativity that exists within all of us. Welcome to MAX.
What would you like to do?
Recommend some new podcasts for me.
Wireframe is a podcast about interaction design. Would you like to subscribe?
Now, this is not a Photoshop-like application made for the iPad. This is real Photoshop on the iPad.
In Rush, we make color really accessible and intuitive. I can tap on a preset and give this clip its own look and feel.